Hi, today I want to show you how we can remove the Powered by Shopify copyright in Shopify website. I mean this one. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. So, it's pretty simple to do. First, we should log in into our Shopify dashboard, click Online Store, click Themes, and click Actions and Edit Code. Okay. Don't worry, I will show you step by step what to do. From the left sidebar, scroll down to the sections and click Footer Link Width. Okay, here it is. After use search and write word powered. Okay, you should find this powered by link tag. This tag shows powered by Shopify text. So if we remove it like this, click save, let's check how it works. Okay, we don't see it anymore. If you want to change it to something else, just write something new, like my new copyright. Click save. Refresh page. My new copyright. You also can make it as link by adding a tag in HTML. Click save, refresh page. Okay, my new copyright. You see? I will add back powered by Shopify because it's not my website. Okay, I hope this video really helps you and you will subscribe and check my other videos. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Bye.